Good evening to you, and thanks for being here with us tonight. From crowded doctors' offices to a new flu hotline where phones are already ringing off the hook, there's still growing concern over the H1N1 flu virus tonight.
And this comes as the first shipment of the H1N1 vaccine arrives here in Kentucky. Sherelle Roberts checked out one doctor's office this evening that's been swamped with flu patients. She's live in Lexington with more on what doctors are dealing with tonight in our top story at 11. Hello, Sherelle.
Well, Sam, both state as well as national health officials gave us a heads up a few months ago about what we might see. But tonight we really got an idea of just how tough this flu season could be. The Urgent Treatment Center off Dove Run Drive in Lexington has been swamped.
Well, today's been pretty hectic.
The doctors say a good majority of their patients have come in with runny noses, headaches, fever, and sore throats.
We've seen about 20 to 25 today with the actual documented influenza A, and there's been probably about another 10 or so that have had the influenza-like illness that were highly suspicious of the H1N1.
And for those who aren't sick yet, the demand for flu shots is through the roof.
The number that we've had coming in has depleted our supply.
Dr. Richard Ramirez says they'll soon have to borrow the vaccine from other clinics. But the clinics are also seeing another type of patient, patients who just seem afraid to get vaccinated for the H1N1 virus.
It's a new vaccine, and considering what happened years ago when the flu vaccine first came out with the side effects of it, so it's something new, so they're a little hesitant.
Dr. Ramirez is not the only one hearing those types of concerns. In Louisville, the state flu hotline just opened today, and the phone hasn't stopped ringing since 8 a.m. Many people are trying to be diagnosed over the phone, which isn't the best way, especially if patients are exhibiting a few specific symptoms.
If they start to get short of breath, difficulty breathing, fever above 105, they should definitely contact their doctor.
These days, your wait in the doctor's office could be a little bit longer, but it's best to be safe than sorry. Now, if you have a question about the flu, whether it be seasonal or H1N1, you can contact that state flu hotline. We've got the number here on your screen. It's 1-877-843-7727. Live in Lexington, Sherelle Roberts, WKYT 27 News First.
Now, also today, the state reported 2 more deaths related to H1N1. One was a teenager in Caldwell County, the other a woman in her late 20s in Christian County. That brings the statewide death toll to 4. As for the H1N1 vaccine, there's a priority list for who should get it. The Centers for Disease Control lists pregnant women first, followed by people who live or care for children younger than 6 months old. Health care workers are next, then children between 6 months and 4 years old, and children with chronic medical conditions. The rest of the vaccine would go to anyone between 25 and 64 years old. And more schools around the state closing because of illness. Corbin Independent Schools are closed the rest of this week, along with Powell County Schools. And Jenkins Independent is closed tomorrow. As always, you can get the very latest closings and H1N1 information. Just go to our web channel, WKYT.com, where your news is always on.